Ladies and gentlemen, Matthews here from Emmanuel Forex Traders. I hope you're doing great. I'm here with the Usoil forecast of about 358 pips target and 13 pips stop loss, amounting to about 1 to 28 risk to reward ratio. So for that and more, make sure you stick around and watch the rest of the video for me to show you guys what I'm looking at and everything else. All right, let's start off from the top right here. So what am I looking at right here? So this is the USO on the 4-hour time frame, and we can clearly see that we've seen the market pushing to the upside for a longest time right here. So therefore it's only wise to actually look for buying opportunities, right? So right here, this point might not be significant, and we have another significant area right here. That means that if the first one doesn't hold, then we'll be looking to actually buy from this level right here. But let me break it down, right? So let's go to the 2-hour time frame. We come here and then we notice something. We have a pattern right here. We have a drop based rally right here with a break of structure to the upside. And then also something significant here is that this these candles right here were inefficiency candles, right? They are inefficiency means that there's most likely unfulfilled orders behind right here. So therefore we'll wait for the price to come and take out these orders right here before we can execute, right? So we've seen from that time the market kept on breaking structure to the upside. That is extremely important. All right, so we saw the market creating liquidity right here, came right here and pushed to the upside, and then we saw more liquidity being created. We had a nice equal lows right here which were left behind. That's always important to note in the market. And once that has happened, we always wait for the market to come and push into our area, and once the market does that, they will be able to execute this trade to the upside. That is extremely important. As you can see, this is a 1 to 28 risk to reward ratio, looking very beautiful. Like I've said, if this setup doesn't hold, then we could wait on this area right here. So let me go to the lower time frame. I show you why I had to go for that order block right there, because that's the last bullish candle. That's the last bearish candle before the bullish move right here. So we got that candle right there, extremely important. And then yeah, this is a really nice setup. It's promising setup. Like if you remember very well, we actually had a similar setup, I think like 1 or 2 weeks ago, which played out amazing. So let's hope that this is going to do that, to behave like the other one, right? Of course, you know that the outcomes are random regardless of how similar the setup may be. You can see this is the trade that we took last 2 weeks ago. Yeah, 28th of February, almost like 2 weeks ago now. You can see it played out pretty amazing, and you can see that the presentation is similar. And if you haven't watched the video, the links are down in the description. The video to that particular forecast was right here, and it played out amazing. This was the trade right here where we caught over 300 pips right here. So yeah, this looks pretty clean. Yeah, so let's make sure that you keep in touch, watch this level so that you see what happens for yourself. If you'd like to be alerted, the links are down in the description. So if you want to be able to do this on your own and to be able to trade independently without waiting for anyone, the first link in the description has you covered. All right, we have our M&F mastery course, which comes with lifetime mentorship, lifetime signals, and with a bunch of videos which will help you understand how we trade exactly, so that you'll be able to trade like that. All right, so make sure you check the first link in the description, and check out the link if you'd like to talk to me. The links are down in the description. You guys, I hope you found value. Until next time, goodbye.